Hello, children. My name is Christopher Adeboatin. You are a mathematics teacher. Before we start today's work, I will go through the homework. So let's look at the homework. Group the following into ordinal numbers. We are circling the cardinal numbers. We have 2, 3, 8, 9, 12, 19, 17, 30, 32, 38, 40, 50, 56. These are numbers because they don't have RD, ST, TH, and D attached to them. So these are our cardinal numbers. Let's look at our ordinal numbers. They have ST or RD or ND or TH attached to it. So let's see. We have third. We have fourth. We have eighth. TH. We have 10th. We have 15th. We have 16th. We have 18th. We have 20th. 21st. 47th. 51st. 55th. 58th. And finally 60th. So that is the end of our homework. Now let's come to today's work. Our topic for today is cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. What is it? Cardinal and ordinal numbers. Objective. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to use cardinal numbers to make ordinal numbers. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to use cardinal numbers to make ordinal numbers. So we have two things. We use cardinal numbers to make ordinal numbers. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, we have examples of some cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Let's start with the cardinal numbers. 400, 50 boys, 25 girls, 18 pencils. All these are cardinal numbers. They are what? Cardinal numbers. Why are they cardinal numbers? They are cardinal numbers because they don't have ST, ND, RD, and TH attached to any of the numbers here. We have here 450 boys, 25 girls, 18 pencils. So all these are cardinal numbers. They are cardinal numbers. Let's go to the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. We have 31st, 43rd, 28th, and then 52nd. Yeah, 31st, 43rd, 28th, 52nd. They are all ordinal numbers. They are ordinal numbers because they have ST, RD, TH, and ND. This ST, RD, TH, and ND make them ordinal numbers. This make them ordinal numbers. Again, ordinal numbers. So 31st, 43rd, 28th, 52nd, they are all numbers because they have ST or RD or TH or ND. That is it. These are cardinal numbers. These are ordinal numbers. The boys, the girls, and the pencils, they are just to tell you the number of boys. So we see 50 boys, 25 girls. They are telling us how many girls they are. 18, somehow 18 was 18 pencils. So that is quantity or how many. Now, let's look at this question. Show the positions of these boys. These boys took a test and their marks are here. Ato had 58 marks. Kojo had 67 marks. Presi had 36 marks. Kofi had 82 marks. Ato had 58 marks. Kojo had 67 marks. Presi had 36 marks. And Kofi had 82 marks. We have to show the positions of these boys. Now let us look at all these numbers and pick the biggest. And pick what? The biggest. So the biggest of all the marks is what? Yes? 82. Very good. Two is the biggest. Now, what is the next biggest mark? The next. '67. That was the marks Kojo got. 67. The next bigger number, 56, 58, and 36. Which is bigger? 58. So Atos had 58, and Kwesi had 36 marks. So, from what we have on the board, 82, the highest or the biggest. So, Kofi took the first position. Kofi took the first position. Kofi took the first position. He had 82 marks. Kojo took the second position because he had 67 marks. Kojo had 67 marks, so he took the second position. He was second. Ato had 58 marks. Ato had 58 marks, so he was third. Ato had 58 marks, so he was third. And Kwesi had 36 marks. That is the lowest. Kwesi had 36 marks, and he was fourth. He was fourth. Again, he was fourth. Okay. So we have Kofi first, Kojo second, Ato third, and Kwesi fourth. So that is the position of the people. Now, you see, because we have ST, ND, RD, TH, these show position, and we have known the position of Kofi at first, Kojo as second, Ato as third, and Kwesi as fourth. Now we have finished showing the positions of these boys. Now let us come to show the positions of these girls. These girls. Amma had 86 marks. Amma had 86 marks. Amma had 86 marks. AC had 77 marks. 77 marks is what AC got. Araba had 47 marks. Araba had 47 marks. Araba had 47 marks. And Abba had 55 marks. Abba had 55 marks. Abba had 55 marks. Now, we are to show the positions of these girls, Amma, AC, Araba, and Abba. So, let's look at the marks. Which is the biggest? Which is the biggest? Yes? 86. And who had that mark 86? Who had that biggest mark 86? Yes? Amma. Good. Who had a second biggest mark? And what was the mark? Yes. 77. And who had that mark? AC. Good. AC had 77. Amma had 86. Who had the third mark, the third higher mark, or between 47 and 55, which is higher? 47 and 55, which is higher? 57 is higher than 47. And who scored 55 marks? Who scored that 55 marks? Abba. Good. Who scored the lowest mark? The lowest mark was scored by, yes, Araba. What was her mark? 47. Now let us continue and show the positions of Amma with 86 marks, Isi with 77 marks, Araba with 47 marks, and Abba with 55 marks. Amma with 86 marks. So Amma is first. Let's look at the next person. 77, 47, 55. Is that 77 is the biggest of the three. So who had that 77 marks? AC. Good. So AC. How many marks? 77. And that is. What position is that? Second. Good. Yeah, I left with two people. Their marks are 47, 55, which is higher or bigger. 47 and 55. 55. So, Abba. Her mark was 55. So, took the third position. The fourth position was taken by Araba. What was her mark? 47. So Araba took the fourth position. Araba took the fourth position. So we can see that the positions of the girls, Amma was first with 86 marks. AC was second with 77 marks. Abba third with 55 marks. Abba third 45 marks, and Araba fourth with 47 marks. Araba fourth with 47 marks. Let's go over the boys and see. Now we have the next question. Show the positions of these sections. Show the positions of these sections. You have red, blue, green, and yellow. The teachers on duty went around the compound and saw how you have swept the place to make it look more neat. So let's see. Red had 225 marks. Blue had 302 marks. Green had 312 marks. Had 175 marks. Now, all this, let's look at which of them is the biggest. Which of them is the biggest? Yes. 312. And which section had that 312? Yes, which section? Green. Okay. So we had green, (312 marks). So the first section is green. Now let's look at the next highest number. We have 302, 225, 175. So the next highest number is 302. And which section had that? Blue. Okay. (302). That is second. Then we had 225 and 175. Which is bigger? That is 225. And which section had that mark? Red. Okay. So red had 225 marks. So red took the third position. And what did yellow have? Yellow had 175. He scored, or yellow had the smallest figure. Yellow had 175, and that is the smallest. So yellow took the fourth position. Yellow took the fourth position. So from the board, we see that green is first with 312 marks. Blue is second with 302 marks. Red is third with 225 marks. And yellow is fourth with 175 marks. Now, we have finished today's work. Let's look at your homework. Show the positions of the schools. Show the positions of the schools. There was a singing competition, and these are the marks or points the schools had. Anglican had 133 points. Catholic had 186 points. Presby had 164 points. Methodist had 171 points. And SDA had 153 points. Let's look at the points each school had. Which school had the highest points? Yes, you are going to arrange to show the positions of these numbers. So you write the first school, the point, the next 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 school, the point, and then that will end our lesson for today, which is cardinal and ordinal numbers. Children,